It's a crazy number. With that much money, we could have bought a Kia Seltos. What's up viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Catch a Mile. This is Gautam. I made a small little intro for the channel. Watch it and let me know how it is. Now coming back to today's video, it's going to be the service bill of the Audi Q7. I haven't showed that car yet in the channel, so let's get it out. Here we go. This is the 2013 Audi Q7. It's a 3-liter diesel V6 engine. We got this in January of 2013. In the R8 key, you have the front opening button, whereas in the Q7 key, you have the trunk opening button. It's become very dirty. This has been an amazing car, no doubt in that, but the amount of money that we have spent on this car. In the previous service, we had to change a couple of things. Brake pads, we had to change the suspension bushes, and for the general service, and that itself cost around 2.5 lakhs. And for the next service, they have given us an estimate of this service quote was given when the car had done 76,537 kilometers and 12/2, that is February. That's when we gave the car for service. The first sheet, this is only for labor. So what they're going to do is they're going to remove the engine completely and reassemble everything. So for the complete engine removal and reinstallation, they've put 65,000 and cleaning 13,000, so 78,000 just for the engine part. This is for the labor, 1,03,740 rupees only for the labor. Now let's go to the parts section. In this page, the main things are the wipers, battery and the tires. Wipers are 17,500 rupees just for the wipers. For tires, it is 76,740 rupees. The battery, it is 15,500 rupees. In the next page, we have only some bolts, gaskets, covers, gasket seals, washers, screws and all that. I've added up all the costs of the screws, nuts, bolts and the gaskets. I'll tell you that in the end. Now let's go to the third page. These are also some gasket seal rings and all these, some screws. Next page is also about the seal rings and all that. These are all related to the engine. And in this also it's the same thing. I'll tell you how much the bolts are. And in the last page we have the engine oil, 8,847. So the total is 3,26,340, 1,03,740 for the labor. With GST and everything, it is 5,26,091 rupees. 5,26,091 rupees just for service. This is crazy, guys. For the screws, bolts and nuts itself, adding up everything that they had given us, it comes to 21,750. And for all the gaskets which you saw and the gasket seals, 32,000. Adding these to 54,000 just for screws and gaskets. It's not only this. Last year, for some reason, the ABS unit went faulty, so we had to spend 2 lakhs for that. And 6 months back, the AC compressor stopped working, so we had to spend another 60,000 for that. So that way, this car has been giving us some or the other sort of problem. We can't go out of the house, so that's why I'm making these kind of videos. But I hope this video was informative. For a Q7 only, it's this much. I don't know how they're able to maintain so many Porsches, Lamborghinis, Ferraris. It's quite difficult, it's not so easy. Buying is one thing, maintaining is another thing. Every year you'll have to pay the service cost, you'll have to pay for insurance and all that. If it's only for service, it'll be less. But like I told you, if there's some parts which are breaking down, it's going to be very, very expensive. I hope you liked this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. In the future, I'll do service and maintenance cost of the R8 also. So until then, stay tuned, stay home, stay safe. Bye.